fitted safety locks set the latches and the rear doors are childproof. Yes, I misunderstood this at first. This door is... oh, it's locked now. Okay. I can open it from inside. And the thing that locks it is this little lever. So if I turn the lever up, I can open the door. But I turn it down, and the door becomes locked. But it's not childproof yet. This is the lever that opens the door, as we can see. If we come round here, we can see this little latch. Now, if we push it up, no, push it down, seems temperamental to me. Ah, right, this is disconnected now, so the child can't open the door, which is quite handy.